hungry. So what are we having?
I'm very hungry.
Yes.
Yes, I am.
It's rushing me. What are we having for dinner?
We're gonna have some, I think it's yakiniku.
Yakiniku and ooh, tea. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Oh, look at that. I'm in heaven.
He's so happy.
Ecstasy.
This is so good.
I don't know how to make it look nice.
He's stopping at every single thing. How you feel after dinner?
Feel quite satisfied.
We had, I tried cheek, but it wasn't bad.
It was good.
It was pretty good. The first one was the best though.
Yeah.
Look at my hair. I look so funny. Don't
What if I
mind
just
it.
cut off the
The bun and I have this? You're so evil. This is really cool. We have a supermarket right across from our hotel. And it's so cute. This is, wait, where's our hotel? This
Right
one. If you block out this is our hotel. Oh my gosh, there's a child. It's so cute and small. And we are that one. That's us.
Parang dito sa Pilipinas.
Oh my gosh, can we get avocados for breakfast? Huh?
You don't want to eat somewhere for breakfast?
I mean, okay, we can have it for a snack.
Sure.
Oh my gosh, look how much for Oh my gosh. Imagine if we had a kitchen we could cook. This is really
Look at this.
fave. Ooh, 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 ooh.
We need a kitchen.
I know. This is our aspiring chef.
Hi.
Isn't he cute?
Hi. I
I
get
think
it.
it's like one of those things we like looks gross but would be really good.
Bruh,
Oh.
yakitori?
Is it cooked though?
No, well it's cold, but you can just heat that.
Yeah, in the microwave.
Microwavable.
Oh my gosh, but I'm really fascinated by this. Who's this cutie I ran into?
Japanese people smell really good.
We're at the birthday party of our hotel.
We crashed it.
Well, we didn't crash it, we guessed.
We're so underdressed, but it's cool.
Yeah, look at what we're wearing. But it's okay. But we didn't crash it, we guessed. This is our dinner. Oh my gosh. Can you get me one? The bread. Verdict on the free food.
Pretty good. Free.
Yeah, it's free. I think this is my best angle.
I think all three angles are
This is your best angle.
Thanks.
So we're waiting for there was supposedly a jazz performance, but I don't know if it's finished or if it's not started. Oh.
Oh, he's backing up? Oh, he's backing up.
I think it's over, darling.
Fudge.
Whoa, that is fragrant.
Oh, yeah?
So this detox water has.
Dog's water.
Our hotel's so cool. Wait, so it has lemon, lime, orange, blueberry, rosemary, and mint. Look at this.
Oh, yeah, it is fragrant.
But I like it. The rosemary is just very strong.
Well, this place is so cool. What the hell?
Look at this guy.
So,
Where are we going?
we are going to the Shiki Market.
The Shiki Market. Careful, there's a truck behind you.
Tight streets we got here.
A little bit busy this morning.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
What are we going to eat, man?
We're gonna eat. We woke up
What we
at
always
5 a.m.
Yeah.
Well, he woke me up at 5 a.m.
I'm excited.
And we went to, what's it called again? Lawson.
Lawson.
And you got skewers,
Skewers. I got
onigiri.
onigiri.
What was the laman?
Look, we should be like that, man.
Like them?
Yeah.
Just don't ask. I'm kidding. We can be that.
Just
We
so
were gonna do
chubby
a
now.
meditation thing too this morning.
Yeah, but I
We
think we're gonna
chose
make that another trip.
Oh yeah, because he wants to do like a course.
Yeah.
See, dude, it's so close. You literally just keep walking up here. Travel tip: if you want to come here when it's not packed. What time is it now?
Exactly 9:30.
Opens at 9:30. So come when it opens. Oh, they have a soy milkshake. This is the one that has the egg in the head. Okay.
It's really cold.
How is it?
Okay.
What does it taste like? Is it rubbery?
Try it. Try it. Do it. Do it. Do it. You don't like it?
Not very much at all.
There's your unagi.
Take a bite. Take a bite. Nice. He's so cute, dude. What about me?
What you know about me? What you know about me? Good?
Yeah.
Go try it. This is beef
try this one.
sushi.
Aha.
Smells good.
Cheers.
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 Whoa. Is that wasabi?
Yeah.
It's wasabi.
It's so good.
It's wasabi.
Good?
Very soft. There's bean paste inside. You like it?
Yeah.
I love mochi. Have some with the strawberry. With
You want-
straws. No, it's alright.
Now I have smaller bills
Nice.
and a 500 coin.
Okay, let's go over there. This is big. I kind of regret this now.
Fish cake.
So,
Going to buy some Patagonia. Excited. It's your first time buying something you kind of go to in Japan.
yes, it is.
Whoa!
He's so excited about all the books. I think we're gonna be here for like 3 hours.
Everything else is in Japanese.
Oh no.
Just chilling here. Just resting. After a big morning of walking 500 meters. It's taking so long. Going to Gion, and we looked up different like walks on the internet. So we're gonna follow a walk, and it's gonna start at Gion. Where? See, he's doing it again.
The station.
Doing it again. Guess what he's doing?
It's
He's
Sabong,
on his
dude.
phone.
Shout out Rafi, shout out Anjo. Sorry, I can't buy you anything more than a plastic bag.
If you're ever in,
Down 186 how?
if you're ever in La Union, visit Sabong. It's good. Anyway, we're going to start the walk at Gion Shijo Station, and then we're gonna go through until we end up somewhere nice. put new film in. So we're going to Ninadaka, we're going to see the Starbucks, and we're also going to go to the spice shop I went to. Why is it going this way? Goodbye. To the spice shop I went to last time I was here to buy more spices and just see everything that is there. And basically it's just like a preserved part of Kyoto. So when you come to Gion, you come to see like all of the old architecture and the way the shops and restaurants used to be, and they have a lot of kaiseki restaurants and stuff like that. What did you get?
Kobe beef croquette.
Ooh.
Let's try it.
Good?
Yeah. Tastes like a hash brown.
A hash brown?
Right?
I just can't really taste the beef. I can. Yum! And which one do you want?
Which one should I get?
Oh, okay. So you can get either some sweet with bitter. Oh, okay.
I'll get the sweet with bitter.
One of this one. What is this? Mochi?
Yeah. Is that free?
I think it comes with it. And then this is just pure matcha. And I got an iced matcha.
It's like matcha filled jelly.
And what's the other one?
I don't know.
Verdict?
Brown sugar. Sauce. Lighter.
I got this. It's yummy. I'm kind of hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Paris got hungrier than him. I don't know why. Yay! Oh, it's so nice.
It's so nice. I can't wait to fill it up. Show them the size.
It's how many? 1,000 pieces, right?
Yep.
So it's gonna be like that, and we're gonna complete it together.
And then we're gonna frame.
And then we're gonna frame it, and yeah. Now we're gonna go to
Sorry.
Shira something. That street, right?
I don't remember anymore.
I don't know. We're just walking aimlessly.
Yeah. It's pretty.
Do you like those things, the soy crackers?
Yeah. I do.
Interesting. Ooh, careful of the car. Oh my gosh, my sister. I remember last time we were here, my sister went in here and
Shout out to Sarah.
she bought.
What did
Look,
she buy?
okay, you see
What
this?
did she buy?
You see this? You see this? This, guess what it's for?
Your ears.
Your earwax.
Oh, I knew it.
So my sister, I'm exposing Sarah right now. She bought an earwax picker from the store.
She looks like she's the type.
You look like you're the type. Give me some soft serve. Hey, stop.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You greedy boy.
Yeah.
Fine, bye.
Good. Go.
Oh my gosh.
Hold it.
It's so good.
So good.
Bro. What the heck? Go try this. This is creamier. So good. How you feeling?
Full.
What did we eat today?
Everything in the world.
Yes. We just had dinner in Katsukura in I forget what the place is called. But it was really nice. We got the tenderloin sandwich.
Yes, that was
and
delicious.
The tonkatsu with a salad and a yuzu dressing. And then we just had the creme meal. And clearly I made him finish the rest.
You did. Stuffed it in my mouth. Literally.
And now we are going back to our hotel. We're gonna chillax and then we're gonna try yakitori later.
Yes.
And then tomorrow is my birthday. And we're going to Arashiyama. Yay! I don't know if I'm gonna vlog anymore, so good night everybody.
Good night.